Okay, it's running now. So whatever you see in that space, but you can't see very well, then that's what's showing. And it's just going to keep going until you stop.
Anarchy in the USA.
Anarchy in the USA. I don't know the words to that.
You want to
right here.
lead us?
Lead? Oh, sure, but I don't know the words out. You can read along. How do you? Sorry, honey.
Okay.
It's like.
That's a challenging one to start with.
Maybe somebody else should lead us. I don't know how.
Are you? Oh, do you have a version over there?
Oh, they got it. Oh, okay.
All right.
What's it?
All right. Are you guys ready? I want to destroy the passers-by 'cause I want to be anarchy. Hold on, buddy. Anarchy for the UK. It's coming, baby. I give her up, can't stop a traffic light.
I know of him. He has instruments like that. Oh yeah. Did he get some stuff? Oh yeah. He's a fellow lesbian. Some homeless guy knew he was.
Oh, really?
We're here. He said,